Excuse me, excuse me. Let's see what they got in shirts left. Hey, you guys have kid shirts?
We do, and it would just be in this color.
Oh, the green?
Yeah. And these are all previous year shirts, too.
These are what?
Previous years, not this year.
This is not this year's shirts?
No, these are all previous years, yeah. This year would be in Building 4.
Building 4, okay, cool.
Building 4, yeah.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
1 for 15, 2 for 25. Okay. Come on, hand.